Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Kegan, and I'm from uh, 10. I'm from TKJ class. Okay, and now I will tell you how to make food from Korea called tteokbokki. Tteokbokki. How to make tteokbokki? Ingredients for tteokbokki. Main ingredients: 305 gram or 12 ounce Korean rice cakes. Started. Then 150 grams or 5.3 ounce Korean fish cake. Rinse off over hot water and cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 cups Korean soup stock, dried kelp and dried anchovy stock. Use this recipe. And then 90 gram or 2 ounce onion, lightly sliced. Then tteokbokki sauce. Mix this in a bowl, right? 3 tablespoons gochujang. Gochujang is a Korean chili paste. Then 11 or 2 tablespoons raw sugar. Then 1 tablespoon soy sauce. And then 1 teaspoon minced garlic and 1 teaspoon gochugaru. Gochugaru is a Korean chili flakes. Right. Next, garnish. Garnish is decoration to tteokbokki, right? 1 teaspoon roasted sesame seed, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil and 1 stalk green onion, finely chopped, right? Then how to make tteokbokki. Step 1. Unless your rice cakes are soft already, soak them in warm water for 10 minutes. Step 2. Boil the soup stock in a shallow pot over medium height heat and dissolve the tteokbokki sauce by stirring it with a spatula. Once the seasoned stock is boiling, add the rice cakes, fish cakes, and onion. Boil them further 3 to 5 minutes until the rice cakes are fully cooked. Then, to thicken the sauce and to deepen the flour, simmer it over low heat for a further 2 to 4 minutes. And last step, add the sesame oil, sesame seed, and green onion, then quickly stir. Serve warm. Then, thank you. Just for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I will give a presentation omurice. Okay. What is omurice? Omurice is contemporary Japanese fusion creation that marries both Western omelette and Japanese fried rice. The word omurice comes from Japanese portmanteau for omelette and rice, resulting the name omelette rice. Yeah. First, let's gather the ingredient like egg, cheese, and then mixed vegetable, and then meat and Japanese rice. Okay. First, mince the onion like this, like in the image, and yes. And then dice the chicken into a ½ inch, like this. After that, heat the oil in frying pan, and then add the chicken and cook until no pink longer. After that, add the mixed vegetable, rice, ketchup sauce, and stir to combine it. And the rice is ready. Okay, let's go make the omelette. First, mix the egg and 1 tablespoon milk. After that, heat the oil in pan over medium and high. And then cook the egg. Then sprinkle 3 tablespoon cheese on the top, then add the half of the ketchup fried rice into a middle of the omelette. Use spatula to fold both then sides, seam side down onto a plate. While it's still hot, cover the omurice with a paper towel. Ready? This is look delicious. Are you fasting, guys? Yes.
No.
Oh, astagfirullahaladzim. Okay. And then if you want to make this, I have the side. This is the side. The biodata who make this omurice. This is Namiko-chan. Namiko-chan. Okay, I think enough. Sorry if I make any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I will teach you how to make anchovies nasi liwet. Before we start, if you don't know what is nasi liwet is, so nasi liwet is a rice cooked in coconut water, chicken stock, and also spices. This giving a rice a rich aromatic. Okay, let's move to the ingredient. This is the ingredient that we need to make nasi liwet. We need anchovies or any salted fish, rice, red onions, garlic, lime leaves, bay leaves, cayenne pepper or chilies, galangal, lemongrass, chicken stock powder, coconut milk, and salted egg. Okay, let's next how to make nasi liwet. Okay, the first step is fry the onions, garlic, chilies, and also the anchovies until fragrant. And next, mix the sauteed onions and chilies with the washed rice, and add the chicken stock powder, coconut milk, and lime leaves, galangal, lemongrass, and also water. And cook in the rice cooker as usual. Once cooked, serve with fried anchovies and salted egg, and nasi liwet is ready to eat. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Sorry for my mistake. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. If you like sweet, I want to show you how to make a cake. Yes, cake. Ingredients: a quarter kilograms of butter and half TBS tablespoons of violet and sugar and half ounce of wheat flour. white flour, and 1 packet of coconut powder, and 2 sachets of vanilla, and 5 TBS of milk powder, and 2 and 20 eggs. Next steps. The first, remove the eggs, yolk, and albumen, and place them in different bowl. And next, mix the butter, sugar, vanilla, and ovalate for 10 minutes. And put the yolk into the dough and blend again at least 10 minutes. And pour the wheat flour little by little into the dough and stir well. And the 5, pour the milk powder little by little into the dough and stir well. And 6, pour the coconut powder little by little into the dough and stir well. And next, blend the albumen around 5 minutes, and pour the albumen into the dough. Blend them around 10 minutes. Prepare a baking pan lubricated with butter. Pour the dough. Put into the oven and bake around 40 minutes in 25 degrees Celsius. And the last, lift the cake and put on the plate. Spread some sugar on it. The bolu cake is ready to serve. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you want breakfast? No. But you don't know to make it. Then let's make it a scrambled egg. This is ingredient. You must need 2 egg and milk if you want, and then 1 teaspoon of butter and a pinch of salt and pepper. Okay, it is step by step. This is first. First, you crack the egg and into a bowl, and then add milk, and then add salt of pepper, and don't forget to add milk if you want. And then stir it. After stir it, wait for 20 seconds. And after that, add butter of the frying pan and wait for melt. And then you cook until matang. Good. Nice. And then you plating and you eat. This is for me. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today I will present to how to make tongseng. The ingredients to 2015 grams of goat meat, 2 bay leaves, 2 centimeter ginger, 100 ml water, 4 cloves of red onions, 1 lemongrass stalk, 1 centimeter galangal, 4 pieces of red chili, 1 leek, 1 red tomato, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, 500 ml liquid coconut milk, 15 grams of cabbage, 2 tablespoons sweet soy sauce and seasoning, 3 cloves of garlic, 5 cloves of red onion, 2 pieces of roasted, 2 centimeter turmeric, 1 centimeter ginger, a half teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 half teaspoon pepper, a half teaspoon sugar, and supplementary material, fried onions and emping. Step by stepnya. First step, cut the goat meat size according to taste, then set aside. It is recommended when cutting the goat again the fibers of the meat so that the meat is tender. In addition, when causing goat meat, it is better to cause young meat. The characteristic of the meat are red and lead to pink. After cutting, the season with salt and pepper. Step 2. Heat oil in frying pan. Sautegrowth spices until fragrant, and lemongrass and bay leaf. Then stir until smooth and fragrant. Step 3, and after that, and add water and stir until smooth. Then add the liquid coconut milk. Reduce the heat and continue to stir the coconut milk until it is cooked. Step 4, then stir fry the shelled onion and garlic until slightly wilted and fragrant. Add the mutton. Step 5, cook while stirring until the spices are evenly distributed and sift into the meat. Wait until the meat is tender and changes color. Step 6, then add the cabbage, cayenne peppers, lettuce, sliced scallion, stir briefly, cook until boiling. Then enter the coconut milk while stirring so that the coconut milk does not break. It is recommended to use slow heat after the coconut milk boils. Step 7, add tomatoes and soy sauce. Cook for a while until the gravy looks thick. Step 8, tongseng is ready to be served. Serve while hot with a sprinkling of fried onions and chips as a complement. You can also enjoy it with warm rice. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I want to present my presentation, how to make pencil box.
you need a cardboard box, a glue, paper, scissors, and pen maker to make a pencil box. The step is first find a cardboard box. Secondly, cut the new label from clean sheet of construction paper. Glue them on your box using a glue stick. Thirdly, draw the design on the paper with point marker to embellish your box. And four, fill the box and you are done. Maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so now in this occasion with me Muhammad Rashid Nur Bahaki. Today I want to do my presentation about how to make French toast. So for the first is French toast is really French? The answer is nope. French toast or pain perdue in French isn't actually from French. Legend said the man named Joseph France from the US created the sweet breakfast dish in 1724 and named it after himself. However, that's probably not true. People were frying milk and eggs to cook bread in ancient Rome, according to early research. It's more likely the modern French toast was invented by 15th century. Cooks were on a mission to use stately bread. And the next is the ingredients we need to make a French toast. For the first is 2 per 3 cup of milk. It's the main of ingredients to make a French toast. After that is 2 large eggs, and then 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and that is optional, and 1 per 4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, that is optional too. Salt to taste, 6 sticks of slice of bread, and 1 tablespoon unsalted butter or more as needed. And the next is tools. The tools we need is first is shallow bowl, and then skillet and spatula, spoon. Next is direction and how to make it. For the first step is whisk milk, and then vanilla, eggs, cinnamon, and salt together in the shallow bowl. For the vanilla and cinnamon, that is optional if you want to add it or not. And step 2 is lightly butter a griddle and heat over medium high heat. And step 3 is dunk bread and the mixture, soaking both sides. Transfer to the skillet, hot skillet, and cook until golden, 3 to 4 minutes per side. Serve in hot. The next is nutrition facts and cook's note. For the cook's note, you can use the nutmeg instead of the cinnamon if desired. And you can add an extra like a sausage or cheese in the inside of the French toast. And for the nutrition facts is it has 240 calories and 10.6 gram protein, 30.6 gram carbohydrates, 6.4 gram fat, and 128.3 milligram cholesterol. And for the last is 477.7 milligram sodium. Okay, maybe just for that, how to make a French toast. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today I will show you how to make pizza. And before that we have to prepare our ingredients. And the ingredients is cheese, spices, tomatoes, garlic, onion, flour, beef, salt, sugar, and pepper. And then if we want to make pizza, we have to prepare our tools. Nah, the tools, there is a stove, pan, spatula, spoon, fork, and knife. And then the step is first you have to make the bolognese sauce first. And how to make it is by the mixing garlic and onion until fragrant, and add ground beef, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, and sugar, and then add water and cook it. And then if you want to make a pizza, of course you have to make the pizza dough. And how to make it is by the mixing flour, sugar, yeast, milk powder, water, and then mix it until smooth. And then the third, add white butter, add salt, and then let it stand for 30 minutes. And fourth, divide the dough into 3 parts and then shape it into a round. Then grind the dough into a flat round shape. And then the sixth, put into the oven for 10 minutes. And then give the bolognese sauce that you already cooked, and then set piece of sausage on its top, then sprinkle it the cheese. And then the last thing, oven it again for 7 minutes until cooked. And after that, you can enjoy your pizza. Ya, jadi maybe that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How to make creamy chocolate pudding? Nah, ingredient: 2/3 cups and first 2/3 cup sugar, and 2 or 1/4 cups milk, and 1/4 cup hard cocoa. Next, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoon butter or margarine, and 3 tablespoon cornstarch, and whipped topping. Okay, directionnya. Step 1. Stir together sugar, cocoa, and contract and salt in medium action. Gradually stir in milk. Step 2. Cook over medium heat. Stirring constantly until mixture boil. Boil and stir 1 minute. Step 3. Remove from heat, stir in butter and vanilla. Step 4. Pour into individual dessert dishes. And step 5 to avoid a skin from forming on top, plus plastic wrap directly on serve. Serve warm off at least 2 hours. And step 6, garnish with whipped topping in dessert. Okay, next, microwave direction. Yang one first, stir together sugar, cocoa, contract and salt in large microwave safe bowl gradually, and stir in milk. And 2, microwave and high 100%, 7 to 10 minutes, or until mixture come of full boil. Stirring every 2 minutes. 2 minutes, stir in butter and vanilla. Pour into the dish and serve as direct above. And 3, after that the pudding can be served. Okay, thank you. That's for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So here I will show you how to make a dudul paperized handicraft. But before we continue how to make it, we must know what the benefits. The first is cute. Maybe you feel lonely and sad, so maybe you have a friend. Maybe you need a friend, a new friend. So Dudul can be your friend, and very cool because Dudul school and cat. Maybe you have a allergen with a cat. Maybe if you can close with cat, I have the solution. And then adorable because you can pet it, in his head, and then small size, so you can put on display on your cupboard. Okay, tools that you have, you must. The first is paper, yeah. And then the second is scissors, and then the laptop, glue, paper glue, and the printer. Okay, so we next to the step. First step that you have to is turn on the laptop and open browser. So after that, open the browser is Chrome or Brave or whatever. And then the second is open link. This I have the bit.ly, so make it short. And then download the image file. And if you don't know what's the image file, you can see like this. So after that, connect the laptop to the printer. Then print the file, that file. Hilang gambarnya. So after that, crop the image at the edge of the object, like the head, body, then hand, and the ears. After cutting every object, next is fold the object like until fold as shown in the black line to form a box with a glue, so make it sticky. And then do it the same step in every object, like hand, body, leg, and ears, and put all the object together until like this. And congratulations, you finally finish and you have a new friend. You can give it name whatever you want. That's all for me. Thanks for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I will show you how to survive in the wild. First, you have to find the nearest shelter. For example, you can take cover in the cave, and then example under the tree. So basically the tree has how to say akar? Root. Yes, has the root that is have a big gap, so you can hide there. And then look for the nearest resource, the resource of water and food. For example, you have to find the nearest place to the river, and then a tree that have a fruit in it. Or maybe you can hunt an animal like chicken, and then cow, pig, and then sheep, goat, like that. And then water, you can find a river, and then how to say danau, how to say danau, lake. Yes, lake. You can find a river or a lake, so you can drink the water from it. And then next, if you're lost, look for help. Don't just going around like a baka. And then so if you're lost, you can just scream to attract other person to come towards you. For example, you're in the woods and then it's getting late. You can just scream, and then if someone hear it, they must be come to get you. So maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I will talk about simple land. I know everyone here already know what land, okay, right? You already know half of the land, and we will merge together. First, for the land, we need router. What is router? Router is for you to spread your internet. For internet, especially is for access point.
but router is can able to make more complex. For the imagine this room is our office, and we did not to like we just 14 user, and we just have to router to spread our internet. Next, for the simple LAN, we need switch. Switch for our office is for give data to the server. We need switch to for your LAN and together in switch and send it to the router and send to the server. Next is end device. End device is my laptop, your laptop. It can be us laptop, our laptop. End device is for this end device. The device for the like that. The plus device. Without any talk to do, and I will example to you how to make simple LAN. First, we open the Cisco Packet Tracer. First, we put the router. We put the router. I mean this router. Yes, I have router and I have switch. And we have many like that many. You have two end device. For gather makes the end device the LAN is the connecting, and we must to have a cable. We can put this in there and switch the end device and switch, and we can switch this both end device and switch, and this switch we can connect it to the router, and the router we can connect it to the Wait a minute. Yes, server. We have server in our office, and we send this router cable to the server. We have the simple LAN in our office. For the config is next time, because the config is very take a long time, and maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, now I want to tell you about how to make a healthy body and strong body. Okay, mentor. Okay, everyone need health and strong body. Now I want to tell you about step to health and strong body, to make a strong and healthy body. Okay. Next, okay. Only 3 steps, guys. Only 3 steps. Okay. First steps, you must eat some vegetable, fruits, and milk. And 2 is a very important workout. You must work out. And 3, continuously or istiqomah. Okay. Next. Your body need carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, and fat. Your body need this. You must do it. Workout. This is a very, very important workout. Okay. First, push up and barbell. You can do this after you finish salat. Every you finish your salat, you can do this. Finish your pray subuh, you can push up 5 times. Barbell 10 times, left and right. Okay. And the first week you must push up 5 times, and second week you add in the push up 10 push up every finish your salat, your pray. Next, sit up for your stomach. Sit up. Same. You must do this every finish salat 5 times. Okay. And next, pull up. You need this. Pull up. Up. 5. In first week you must 5 times, and second week you add 7 or 10 times. squat jump to your leg. Your leg, if you squat jump, your leg is strong. Nah, okay. And this very important. Step 3. This step 3 is very important. It istiqomah. You istiqomah. Inshallah, your body in 1 month your body is healthy and strong, and 1 year your body is awesome. Okay. Thanks. That's all from me. And wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.